kublay phi baro kadu dashan kendra shalong sasisian pat ka ai kublay bat ka pediang sobhai phi chakane ka thup khubor jonge manta ka janmet haswa bengenya pet yeki khubor ki babnya ngenya pet swai ki mat ki bakongsan ya kendo Menteri Rang Badu Kari Narendra Modi ya Presiden Barem Kari bat Pranab Mukherjee bat ong ba ka jingle ya kendo jong u ya Pranab kalong ka ba men sim Shimti u Justice AK Mital ko Chief Justice ka Meghalaya High Court pensmai ulat tatha gatharoy ya u Justice Mital ko Chief Justice ubat mai On Shimsma upema khandu ko Menteri Rangba ka jala Arunachal Pradesh ha ka sien ka baar lasai gisngi Badyo pediang ukraw bok lang karlukhi na kasnong mauring teneng ya ka kusnam Jivan Raksha Padak Award 8,000 khatra na marka jing slur jong u ban plat im ya uwe khna school na ka jing ngam jalop ngenya pej menta ya ki khubor ki babnya Menteri Rang Badu Kari Narendra Modi mendagasngi ulaya kendu ya Presiden Barem Kari Pranab Mukherjee hakanong ba Delhi. Modi uban sa Shimsmai ku Menteri Rang Badu Kari hakasien ka baar hakasngi palay ulaong ba Presiden uday ubri uba Shempang bat ubadon burom. Modi ulaong ro ba kajing ya kendu jong u bat Pranab Mukherjee kalong ka baju ay men sim ya u leng ba kajing tip bat kajing yo i jingai jong u. Uday uriu Shempang ubalano sinyang shikat day e hakari. Hakani kajing ya kendu Modi ula yo ro ya ki kentien kerku kerdo na Mukherjee. Justice AK Mital ula Shimti kumu Chief Justice Batmai Jong ka Meghalaya High Court. Ulat gajala Meghalaya utatha Gatharoy ula pensmaya Justice Mital kumu Chief Justice Batmai Haraj Bhavan mentagasngi. Laban kedau baka Supreme Court haka pratarek uyayong kalajia dia unang bishar ka High Court jong ka Punjab bat Haryana AK Mital kumu Chief Justice ka Meghalaya High Court. Hadian kane Presiden Ram Nath Kovind ula penskam ya Justice Mital kumu Chief Justice ka Meghalaya High Court. Ka office jong Chief Justice ka Meghalaya High Court kala sa athli hadian ka jing song thait no jong Justice MY Mir. Upema khandu sa Shimsmai kumu Menteri Rangba Batmai ka Arunachal Pradesh lasai kasngi hakasien ka baar hadian baka seng kala job suk da South Huawei na kin riu phau tali sit hakayeng dorbar thawan ka jala ka seng BJP hnen kasngi kala penlong ya ka jingyalang jong ki MLA ka seng ha Itanagar bat hadian kane u khandu ule ya kendo ya ulat ka jala u Dr BD Mishra bat kamru baka seng kan sa thau ya ka sarkar thmai ka tanat ka koi ka khia jong ka jala da ka jinge trai lang bat ka National Health Mission jong ka sarkar India menta ka sngi kala sedang ya ka program pensyai pat ba ka ba arta yau halor kumno banyada na ka jing pang penher ya ka bala penlong ha Ganesh Das Hospital Shillong ka jing tmu jong ka ne ka program ka long ban khmi bnya ya kilat banyele persha ya ka jing pang penher ka bala shim ya ka jing em jong ki babon ki khlung khna Haba ai jingkran hakane kasngi kumu kongsan UPW Ingti badai Chief Secretary ubakmi ru ya katanat ka koj ka khia jong ka sarkar jala ulaong baka jing pang penhiar haki khna kadai ka wei neki dauba ka baju shim ya ka jing em jong ki babon ki khna ki bahapo sans nem karata kum shi banta jokani ka program i Dr Y Shabong i badai ka doktor ka basumar ki khna ila ai jing batai bat peni halor ka jing long kongsan jong ka jing pendon kam ya oral rehydration solution lani ORS perudawai kuli lani zinc tablet. Upi Bakshi ubadai Secretary Katrat Health and Family Welfare ro ulai jingkren ha kani kasngi.
The national government and also all the state governments to reduce childhood mortality is one of the main goals of this program. And it is with this objective that the intensified diarrhea control fortnight is being implemented to reach out to billions of children under 5 years of age, particularly in our country, and thousands of children in our state.
Yaka khusnam Jivan Raksha Padak Award at Hazar Khatpra lapan kop ho kraw bok lang karluki ubadai nakasnong Maurang Kneng East KHASI Hills District Mentagasngi haka program sam khusnam kabla long haka office jong Deputy Commissioner ha Shillong. Kani ka khusnam ka kantop yaka sernot ka takma bat ka pisa shilak tengka yaka bala IT dau Abhishek Bhagotia ubadai Deputy Commissioner ka East KHASI Hills District. La ban kedau bahak arpusan tarik ubanai leber at Hazar Khat Nyo ukraw bok lang karlukhi ula pelait ya Roland Roy lawai nakajing yap jelop hakawa nam lang kabahab hapo ka Maurang Kneng CNRD block ya ka khusnam Jivan Raksha Padak Award laju ai ki beriu ke bale iki kamslur kum kajing pelait na kino kijing jia kajing ngam jelop kajing peloding kajing tua khandau bat kiwei de usan lang marbanyang ula sya jiat pat ban yo ya ka khusnam ya ka ni ka jo ka khusnam kat ba wan lambok so pho pat ula sya jiat na ka benta ka khusnam utam Jivan Raksha
Yarab ibna bahab bo abun kibiu boyo I henry mshimnu ban yarab yu lai I bo habat ngam jelab spa yarab yu
He did show exemplary courage to save that boy. This act of 2017 in which he saved the boy was appreciated and considered by Government of India, and then he got this award from the country, and this is a matter of great honor and pride for us. We encourage for all citizens to have concern for our society by saving others, by
Superintendent of Police jangka West Janta Hills iba LCM ila ai khubelai bat ai jingya ro iki dekhot ka Village Defence Party lani VDP ki bala shim khia hakapor bala penlong ya ka election chaka District Council bat ka Lok Sabha iba LCM ila pen sluru iki dekhot jangki VDP makin yai beteng banya treilang bat katanat pulit panrat dengkhong iki kam sneu kam sme hakajo kapor ila karpad iki bekin ya treilang ro bat ka snong ka thau bat ka sarkar bat gumjo bat ki breu jangka an khnang ban yo kijing yarap ladami kinu kijing ke balong bean ila penpau ya kani ha kijing ajing kren jong I ha ka VDP rally ka badang sulong shen ha ka District Library Auditorium hamantong ha jowai ha kani kijing lang la airo iki khusnam sha ka VDP jong ka dong mi sngi ka bahab hapo ka jowai police station ha ka baya dai ba ka jingja ha jowai ha ka ba ka VDP dong mi sngi ka la yo ban plat yaki laingot ki kenthai na ka jingsha le beijot ki wei pat ki VDP ki balayo khusnam ki long ka VDP amlarem VDP merjai VDP sanaro VDP priang VDP menso VDP mandan kansau VDP lat mukhla VDP jong ushen but
at the village level to ensure that law and order is maintained and prevention of crime. And in the investigation of cases also they help us. Now when it comes to illicit liquor, this is a big issue all over the state. Now there have been areas where we have been able to, along with the Darbarshnong, along with the VDPs, we have been able to stop illicit liquor and not only the sale but also the manufacture of illicit liquor.
Mentapat nyepet ya ka jing long jing man jong ka sun peneng. Ka jing siat jing kriat ka sun meneng hasilong ka long at pusau point R degree Celsius hakapor men step bat khat riu point riu degree Celsius hakapor janmiet ka jing ngem khau ka long san punyau nakashispa men step bat khandai puwei nakashispa janmiet ka jing hap slap ka long not point nyo millimeter ka sun meneng kan dum lo hasilong bat haki jaka ki bamarjan Haswa bingin penkot ya kene ka khubor jong imantaka janmi ngene pet biang sasisia ni kimat ki bakongsan. Ya kendo Menteri Rang Bado Kariu Narendra Modi ya Presiden Barem Kariu Pranab Mukherjee bat ong bakajing le ya kendo jong u ya Pranab kalong ka baay sim Shimti u Justice A.K. Mittal ko Chief Justice ka Meghalaya High Court pensmai ulat tatha gataro ya u Justice Mittal ko Chief Justice u batmai on shim sma upema khandu ku menteri rangba ka jala Arunachal Pradesh hakasian ka baar lashai sngi Badyo priang ukraw bok lang karluki nakasnong maurin keneng yaka kusnam jivan raksha pada kawad hajar khatra namar kajing slor jong uban pelai im ya uwe kena skol nakajingam jelop. Te paralog baro kiti kilong ki khubor nakani ka thop khubor jongi mantaka janmiet yen sai shem yang bat philasha janmiet haka jo ka por ba ka jo ka channel naka banta ki wei pat ki khubor titat hado kata ka por sashi sen pat khublai phi baro